इफ़ नॉट सुन लो यार। वैसे भी आई टॉक रियली गुड ऐसा मुझे लगता है। तो Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as the title itself suggests कि आज मैं क्या करने वाली हूँ, तो आज हम करेंगे कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग। इट इज़ अ मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल ओनली, बट मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल में हम आज आई ट्यूटोरियल सीखेंगे, जो मैं खुद भी इस वीडियो के साथ ही सीखूंगी, बट आई विल ट्राई इट हैंड टू हैंड ओनली. सो yesterday I saw on Instagram कि if you don't have colored eyeliner, you can make it through an eyeshadow by concealing the eyelids, and then you can put the eyeshadow and it will work as if you have put an eyeliner only. So we'll try this hack today and see if it really works or not. सो मैनी ऑफ द टाइम्स वी सी कि यार ज़रूरी नहीं है हमारे पास कलर्ड आईलाइनर हो ही हो. दोज हु आर कीन इन बाइंग दे बाय इट, बट मोस्ट ऑफ अस डोंट, है ना. जैसे मेरे पास तो है क्योंकि आई एम रियली शौकीन ऑफ ऑल द न्यू कलर्स दैट अराइव, बट नॉट एवरीबडी इज. सो उसके लिए हमारे पास जुगाड़ है कि हम आई शेडो को आई लाइनर में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं, जी विच वी लर्न इन दिस वीडियो टुडे. एंड उसके लिए यू नीड टू वॉच फुल ऑफ द वीडियो टिल दी एंड, क्योंकि मैं एक और हैक बताऊँगी. ओके चलो, तो व्हाट वी आर वेटिंग फॉर, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. सो फर्स्टली सबसे पहले तो अपने मुँह को मॉइस्चराइज करो किसी भी मॉइस्चराइजर से. मेक श्योर दैट मॉइस्चराइजर शुड नॉट बी स्टिकी enough so that the makeup should not look like cakey. If the moisturizer is sticky, it will look cakey. So make sure that the moisturizer isn't that sticky, so that it holds your makeup and moisturizes your skin as well. So the first thing is to conceal your eyes. For concealing, I am using this Nykaa thing and foundation stick actually, which is shade number 02, and the बाकी की details I'll mention in the description box. So you need to apply the concealer on all the things that you need to conceal and hide that you are insecure of. Basically तो किसी भी चीज़ को insecurity नहीं होनी चाहिए, पर अगर अपन को इस चीज़ से confidence मिलता है तो you should do. There is no harm in that. So just make sure that you conceal it well. So now I'll use foundation, which is Maybelline Fit Me foundation shade 220 Natural Beige. I basically first do it by my fingers so that I get it the hand of it, and I spread it very easily. उसके बाद I use the sponge to do it, ताकि मैं थोड़ी क्लियर रहूँ अपने फेस पे कि it is almost like equally distributed on all over the skin and not just on one thing. क्योंकि कई बार क्या होता है जब आप स्पॉन्ज यूज़ करेंगे तो it would be like sometimes it is like it focuses on one place and we forget to do from the other. So hand से थोड़ा easy रहता है. उसके बाद you can use sponge definitely, that I'll use. To ensure full coverage. So I have seen a lot of people complaining that our foundation does not give us full coverage despite using it like on a very good amount. So for that you can what do is कवरेज के लिए आप ये कर सकते हैं कि आप फाउंडेशन में थोड़ा सा लूज पाउडर मिलाओ एंड देन यू अप्लाई इट ऑन अ फेस, सो दैट वुड रियली बी हेल्पफुल. And then you won't complain about the coverage thing, because that it really sticks on your skin for like a longer time. So now that we are done with our foundation, we'll come to the contouring part. So the second gyan ki baat that I am telling you in this video is that if you don't have a contouring stick or the contouring palette that is required, you can use a normal brown lipstick that we have, which should be brown and not of any other shade mixed in it, because if once you'll apply it for contouring, you will see the redness coming, so which will look a little different. So if you want the contouring thing to go as per the plan, it should be a pure brown lipstick in any shade, but it should be brown. What you're gonna do is you need to apply this lipstick on your hand and then just mix it a little bit. And then now that we are done with it, we'll move forward with our makeup and we'll use the blush thing. For blush, I generally use Nykaa lip and cheek tint because it really works nice, and I don't think there's any other blush that beats it because the density of it is really nice, and the exact shade that I want for blush is this. So now that we are done with this part, we'll move forward and we'll use compact and put it under our under eyes. This process is called baking. People use loose powder, and loose powder works effectively great, but yeah, here I use this because I am comfortable with this. So you can use accordingly in whichever thing you are comfortable, either compact or loose powder, one and the same thing. So now that important part has come, to which this video was being made, how to put a palette shadow to a liner. So for that I have this concealer in my hand and an angled brush, angled so that you can use it perfectly on your eyes. But for that, firstly you need to put eyeshadow over your eyes so that a little flavor I am thinking is I'll put a pink base and then blue eyeliner, though blue eyeliner is available, but blue eyeliner of a different shade that matches lavender and purple, and it is a mix. So firstly I'll apply pink thing. So I am using this palette of Swiss Beauty Ultimate Shadow Palette. The code is 01. Now that I'm done with my eyeshadow, I'll come to the fun part. For that the video is being made. So you need to hold your concealer like this, and with an angled brush, put the angled brush over your concealer and put some concealer over the brush and put it over your eyes. Like, even I don't know if this hack is gonna work or not, because I am just I just saw yesterday and I am showing it you right here if this works or not. Put it on both the eyes, the concealer thing, and now I'll move forward with putting up a blue lavender thing eyeshadow on my eyes. So I'm using this palette, and in this I'll be using this thing, this color. If it is clear or not, I don't know. I hope this works. I really don't know if it will or not. Oh my god, it is working. कॉन्शियस कि कैसा लगेगा, बट अच्छा लग रहा है, दूर से थोड़ा अलग लगेगा, बट आई विल डू द होल थिंग, उसके बाद इट विल लुक गुड. So yeah, this hacks really works, man. So in the lower lash line I am using this Maybelline glitter liner. Glitter liners and white kajal so that our eyes look more bigger in size, and it becomes more visible, and it gives a very nice look to the whole thing. So I'm done with my brows now, and now my favorite part, lipstick. So I'll be using this Maybelline New York lipstick in the shade NoHo Amber. 06. It is the brick collection that was launched like 2 years back, but I still like this shade, and this is one of my favorite shades. So if you like it, you should also go. Now that I'm done, though I'm not done actually, because जब तक मैं बाल वाल बनाऊँ तब तक look नहीं आएगा. So just a minute, I'll be back. So I am ready and I am really happy because I just feel that I am looking really pretty today, and I paired it up with jhumkas, my favorite thing to get paired up with. Yeah, I paired. Most of the people won't get it what I said, but it's okay. So yeah, this was how it works. So in today's tutorial I taught you 3 new things. I guess it were new. If not, सुन लो यार. वैसे भी I talk really good, ऐसा मुझे लगता है. तो yeah, I'm a fan of myself, no doubt in that. सबको होना चाहिए. सेल्फ लव एंड सेल्फ केयर इज़ रियली वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दिस डेज. सबको करना चाहिए वो तो. सो या, दिस वाज इट फ्रॉम माय साइड. आई होप यू लाइक द वीडियो. तो 3 हैक्स मैं वापस बता देती हूँ. फर्स्ट हैक वुड बी कि इफ़ योर फाउंडेशन इज़ नॉट गिविंग यू फुल कवरेज, ऐड लूज पाउडर टू इट and then use it. You will get like amazing results. So second thing is that if you don't have a contour stick at home and you don't want to spend money on that, what you can do is take a brown lipstick and use it over whatever thing that you need to contour, and just reminding you again that lipstick should be a pure brown shade, not a shade which has a tinge of red or pink or orange in it, because if that happens it will give you a rouge kind of a shade which won't suit you. So the third thing would be that yes, you can use a eyeshadow in place of liner if you are not having a colored liner. So in today's video I just did was used a purple lavender eyeshadow which I used as an eyeliner. And that you can do is like apply concealer and then put the shadow. You will get the exact results of what a liner would do to you. So yeah, this was it from my side. I hope you liked the video. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe और bell icon तो दबा ही देना ताकि कोई भी update miss ना हो. I hope you stay safe at your homes and watch my videos. Like, subscribe, share, comment, everything you can do. So comment section में थोड़ा अच्छे है ना, ताकि I get positive vibes from you guys. And you can follow me up on Instagram. My Instagram handle is floating below, so you can check me out on that as well and follow me also. So okay, it's a bye from my side. Hope you stay safe and healthy. Bye bye.